Do you ever feel like your relationships are missing that spark? What if the secret to deeper connections was simply spending better time with one another? Hi, I'm Dr. Amanda Pasciucco. I'm a trauma expert, and today we're exploring quality time love language examples and what they do to strengthen your friendships or your romantic relationships. Stick with me to discover practical ways to show love through time and find out why it matters. Let's dive in. The quality time love language is all about giving someone your undivided attention. It's not just about being in the same room as someone else. It's about being present with someone. For people whose love language is quality time, it's the moments of connection that make them feel valued, whether in friendship, family, or in romantic relationships. Consider this. When you set aside other tasks for an amount of time to genuinely listen to a friend as they share their experiences from their day, that constitutes quality time. Or what about when you plan a date night with your partner? No distractions, just the two of you. That's quality time also. As a therapist, I've seen how these moments build trust and closeness. For example, one of my clients reconnected with their partner simply by starting to take walks together. Just because they made this time and carved it out, they found time to talk about their dreams with one another. So it wasn't about grand gestures. It's about being intentional and proactive. What are some specific ways to do quality time? Let's get into more examples. Starting with friendship, one great example of quality time is hosting a game night. Grab board games, turn off your phones, and enjoy the laughter. Another idea, go for a coffee or tea catch-up where you ask meaningful questions like, what's been the best part of your month so far? These moments and this type of depth show people that they matter. For romantic relationships, try planning a body paint date together. One of my clients started doing this with their partner, and it became their favorite way of just playing and reconnecting. Just set up a tarp, they'd bring body paint out for a special no phone, no tech evening. And that was made easier by having paint all over their hands and bodies. Even small things like watching a sunrise together or looking at the moon, making a playlist, all of those things can be powerful. The key is to focus and be present. Don't multitask, just be there. Ready to put it into action? Let's talk about how to make quality time work for you. Making quality time a priority starts with intention. First, schedule it. Yes, actually put friend hangout or date night on your calendar. Life gets busy, but friendships need time to thrive. Next, set boundaries, like silencing your phone during conversations, turning off notifications and banners. Presence is a gift that you give others. If you're struggling to connect, try asking your friend or partner what quality time means to them. Maybe it's different than all of these examples. Maybe it's a deep chat, reading books together, or a shared hobby. And if past hurt are blocking connections, therapy can help. You deserve relationships that feel alive and meaningful. What's one quality time idea you're excited to try or have done? Share it in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. Quality time is the glue that strengthens your friendship and romantic relationships. Start small, be present, and watch your connections grow. Hit like, subscribe, and the bell. See you next week.